Okay, so welcome back to projects. Today I've just got a error code come up of the engine light, so we want to see what's actually wrong with the car. So what we're going to do is just go into diagnostics. I'm going to go across to scan, do it through the Ford. See what happens now. Okay, so now we'll do a search again. Okay, we'll just do a check here. No DTCs on that one. So we go back. Okay, so there's no DTCs there. Just go back. Do that one. EGR frozen. Exhaust gas circulation. And camshaft position sensor. So that's what we've just done. So we're going to clear those codes. Indicated under this pipe here, which goes down to the cooler, so you can probably just about see it under there. It's grey, just there. So we're going to undo these, take this off, and then we're going to unplug or undo the other one, which is just held by one screw, and then we're going to stick it back in, clear the codes, and see how it fares up after we've done the job. So without further ado, just going to undo these screws. Yes, so once you've got it so far, these will come out. And then this just pulls back, like so. Should be able to bend it around over there somewhere, so it's out of the way. It's a bendy pipe anyway. And then there's the crank sensor there. Ooh. Okay, so crank sensor is just behind there, that's the screw there, which is probably another torque head. So once we've undone that, we can pull it out and then disconnect the lead, put the new one in. So that's what we're going to do next. So that's the old sensor there. Managed to unscrew that screw there to get that out. So now we're just going to unplug it and fit the new one in, and then do the reverse. Okay, so it's now back in its place, just got to tighten it up. It is there, so the bung goes in there, the little thing, so that goes there, and then that tightens up. So we're just using T20 to do that up now. Socket. Okay, so it's now attached back in there, so now we just got to put this back on here and screw that tube back into here, and then we shall be done. We'll just try that now. So it's all back together again. So now we're just going to go in the driver's seat, plug in the computer, and see what happens when we clear the codes. Now we're going to come back out, unplug, from the system. Okay, so we've just replaced the camshaft position sensor, so we're just going to switch it on now and see if it is. Deleted the code. The code's gone off, but obviously we've got to give it some time, so I'll get back to you later to let you know if that light comes on again and it's the camshaft sensor again.